A federal judge has approved a settlement agreement that is expected to cost the NFL $1 billion over 65 years to resolve thousands of concussion lawsuits.
The settlement would give players awards for illnesses they are suffering, such as dementia, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and ALS.
Experts for the NFL project about 6,000 of the league's 20,000 retired players could someday develop Alzheimer's disease or moderate dementia over the life of the deal.
The awards could reach several $1 million for younger players suffering from ALS and Parkinson's disease, since their lifetime needs will be expensive. However, the average award is expected to be about $190,000 for the more typical player who may have dementia or Alzheimer's disease in their later years.
The benefits process could start this summer, but any appeal would delay all payments indefinitely.
Less than 1% of the 20,000 retired players in the country did not endorse this settlement. Their main objection is that the settlement does not cover a medical condition known as CTE, which is chronic traumatic encephalopathy. That is deterioration of your brain. It can't be determined in a living human being at this point, only in someone who has died and gets a brain examination through an autopsy.
The league has been dogged for years by complaints that it long hid the risk of repeated concussions to return players to the field. The deal means the NFL may never have to disclose what it knew about the risks and treatment of concussions. The NFL has acknowledged the concussion epidemic publicly, changing protocols for evaluating injured players during games. In January, the league announced concussions had dropped 25% over the previous year.
I would tell a parent, and as one whose son is about to start playing tackle football this coming fall, there's no safer time for your son to play football, or daughter, than today.
More than 5,000 former players were plaintiffs in the lawsuit. About 200 retirees or their families have rejected the settlement and plan to sue the league individually. Bob McCall, Associated Press.